working on Blender using Eevee, and you want your renders to go from this
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
to this, then you're definitely in the right place. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple but powerful tips to make your Blender Eevee renders look way more realistic and stop people from asking if it's a PS2 game.
Get out!
Tip number 1. Ray tracing. Yes, ray tracing in Evee. Go to Render Properties, bottom left, click on Render and enable ray tracing. This will add more realistic shadows and instantly give your scene more depth. The default settings are, let's say, a bit too basic. Here are the presets I personally use. And be careful, depending on your PC, this can cause lag. If your computer starts sounding like a jet engine, you know why. Tip number 2. Color management. Scroll down until you find Color Management in the Render tab. In View, select ACES 2.0, the Blender 5.0 new feature. Then change the gamma to 1.2 instead of 1. Otherwise, your scene might be darker than your future without autosave. Tip number 3. Compositing. Bloom is back. Bloom was removed from the render settings in Blender 4.0. But don't worry, we're bringing it back. Go to the Compositing tab. Click New Render an Image to get a reference. Press Shift+A and add Glare. Place it between the nodes. It connects automatically. Set it to Bloom. Then press Shift+D to duplicate the glare. Shift+A, add Mix Color. Connect the duplicated glare to the mix color. Also connect the image to the mix color. And finally, make sure compositing is enabled. We've all forgotten it at least once. And that's it. You go from a meh render to a clean, realistic-looking render. Follow for more Blender tutorial.